My name is Dusty Showers from Creepy Creatures, Pest and Wildlife, and earlier this week we got a phone call from a woman who sounded absolutely exhausted. She said rats were falling out of her ceiling and she couldn't sleep and her dogs were going crazy. So I sent Joe Rufin out there to take a look at it, and as soon as he got there he called me and suggested that I take a look at it. So I immediately went out there and I was overwhelmed and stunned with what I saw. This is the worst rat case I've ever seen in doing this for 25 years, and we specialize in rats. So this elderly disabled woman who had a broken spine, she also has Parkinson's. Her fiance is in hospice. Her only other family is a brother in California who has a wife with Alzheimer's, and her home just got away from her, and she's trying dearly to take care of it, and it's become overwhelming. Rats are running everywhere, including over her bed, living next to her bed, and this is a woman that really needs help. She was an art teacher for 40 years. She's a beautiful soul, and she teared up at the thought when we suggested helping her so that she could once again get around her home. So we need your help. We're looking first for people to come out and help. It's in the countryside area in Clearwater, Florida. We're also looking for donations. So please check out the event on Facebook. Help us get her home back for her. She's really someone that could be anyone's grandmother, sister, mother. So check out the event on Facebook and please help us out.